Hi, I'm Michael, and we're going to open some.
Pokemon. I will open my last Pokemon, which is Cybercrypt Shield, and 2 Destined Rivals from Japanese set, and 1 Chilling Reign from Japanese set.
So, ang tanong, bubuksan ba o itatago panghabang buhay? So, yan. Meron kami na nabuksan na 3 na, kaso nawawala. Hindi ko makita. And this is our 1 Japanese card. First Japanese card namin yan. Then, meron kaming 3 binuksan. Nabili namin sa may Cubao banda. Ang problema, nawala. And the next na meron kaming is yung sa Thailand. Nung pumunta kami, bumili kami ng isang deck.
And look what we got. We got Ultra Hit there.
Deck pa yun sa isang mall. Nakalimutan ko nung mall ang pinuntahan namin.
Look, we got a hit. This.
Yan.
What is this? Looks like Pikachu.
Yan, Pikachu.
But kulay orange.
Yan, Pikachu. Yan. Ito yung Thailand to Thailand. From Thailand to from Thailand. Open namin.
And what are those?
Wala na yan. Mga ano lang yun. Random stuff na yun ba?
My last kit
Japanese.
My last kit
Yung nabuksan namin 3 before is tago 100. Ito nabili namin to sa Antipolo Robinson nung nagkaroon ng event, which is 180. Ang mahal nga 180 yata to binili namin. And ito is 150 each sa may Fisher Mall.
Because it's Destined Rivals.
So, bubuksan natin to. Isang chilling, Destin, chilling, Destin. Okay. Kasi gusto kong pakikuha ko ng aking gunting para ano natin.
Don't open it.
No, okay lang. Kasi I want to preserve.
Get a hit or not?
Okay lang yan.
No?
Alright. Sige. Gupitin natin para...
What? Could this be mine?
Okay.
Pack battles.
Sige. I don't know kung paano card trick dito pero...
Lulu. Yamaha? You got that, right? Ponytail.
And... Oh! Garchomp EX. Sinchas Garchomp EX.
Nice!
Wow! Parang feeling ko gusto ko... Uy, ang ganda oh.
No.
Kita mo?
Look at the black stripes.
Wow, ganda.
Minex.
Uy! Ano ba?
Wow.
Minex ka dyan.
Wow.
Minex ka dyan. Ang ganda.
Wow.
Ano sasabi mong Minex? Mamaya ka pa.
Huh?
Ako muna.
No, back battle.
Alam ko, pero wait ka lang.
Chilling Reign.
Chilling Reign. Yun natin.
I think there's no card trick. Just
No, yeah, no card trick nga. Oop. I think I saw some.
I saw something. Or it's just a cool hollow.
It's still something.
Yeah.
Hindi ko ma-describe.
Oh!
Oh, yun yung nakita natin.
And hollow.
Oh, okay.
Wait, there's a card trick.
Oo nga no? Hindi. Pag may hit ka, last siya. Pag wala kang hit, next na siya. Okay, ikaw na.
Okay.
Oy, kaya mo ba magunting? Ako na magunting.
You, of course, do not break it.
Yan. Okay ko. Yan. Wala tayo sa second pack natin.
Hey, look!
Ceiling paint talaga.
Misty's Lapras.
Wait lang.
Misty's Lapras.
Ang sabi na sa Chilling Reign kasi is chilling pain, and yes, it's chilling pain.
Misty Lapras, you want a Psyduck, huh? I'll give you.
Kahit dyan mo lang makuha yung illustration rare, okay na ako. Walang English. Okay na ako.
Yellow
Okay.
Tiger.
Oh! Yellow Tiger.
Oh, I think we got a hit because the card is in the last one.
Oh no! Sige, wait. Wait. Dyan lang, kahit dyan lang makuha yung illustration rare ng Misty Psyduck. Okay, Misty Psyduck yun, pero sa illustration rare. Oh! It's a hit. It's a hit.
I told you!
Sayang.
It's still an illustration rare, right?
Hindi namin nakuha yung illustration
What?
rare.
It's realistic.
Teka, wait, dito Japanese. It's Korean.
Huh?
It's Korean, it's not Japanese. It's Korean. This is Korean. This is Japanese.
Wow.
Japan. Yan ang
That's
Japanese.
it.
Ito Korean.
Wait,
Ito.
what is...
This is Korean.
Why does this thing look like it's made of cardboard? Because it's not shining that really.
Illustration rare kasi to. These are
It's
illustration
shining in
rare.
the camera, but not shining to us, the naked eye.
Ayun o, naka-rainbow.
Yeah, but it's a
Alright.
totally naked. Last.
So, 2 out of 3. O, ikaw magbukas yan. So, that's yours. Andre's Shield Temporal Force
My
Escape.
last Pokemon shield.
Bought from Tita Blitz.
Remove this.
Ngayon, wala na naman sa Tita Blitz. Ang hirap na maghanap.
I should have bought everything.
Hindi pwede kasi kawawa naman yung iba maghahanap.
Oh yeah.
Hindi naman tayo katulad ng upos. Anyway, never mind. Unsolicited advice.
I broke it.
Okay. Marunong ka na magbukas niyan eh. Dito mo kasi para makita niya binubuksan mo.
If I get something, I will be
Yeah.
happy. If I get something, I will buy Pokemons just to open it.
Wala ka ng pera?
I'm sure about that.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Why is it so hard?
Hingi ka lang sa akin eh. Huwag na, like,
Daddy,
akin na.
paint. Why does it keep doing that?
Sirahin mo na, wala na eh.
No!
Oh, op. Wait.
Gold card?
Code card.
What is the gold card for?
Para sa TCG, online na.
So we got Biglet. I need the shiny. I need the gold star. When Daddy got it? Hey, look! It's made in real life. Totodile. Look. Deerling. Oh, it's kind of realistic. Great Talk. Salvatore. Bronzong. Versalo.
Op. Pag may hit, dapat meron dyan. Oh, wala.
How about normal EX?
Okay, baka ewan ko.
Dapat hindi na nga ako open. You keep saying me to open it. Look what I got. I
Oy,
don't
wait
get
lang.
nothing.
The first question was, should we open, bubuksan ba o itatago pang habang buhay? And you
Dapat
decided,
ako lang habang buhay.
to
Sabi
open.
mo, open tayo to. Yan tuloy, wala tuloy.
You decided to open it, not me.
You said that to me, so I'll take in this.
Uy, ano ba? Anyway, I'm Michael. And we just opened some random Pokemon cards.
Kinda cool.
2 Koreans, 1 Japanese, and 1 English. So, dahil wala naman
Wait,
tayo.
they said AR.
Yeah, art rare or illustration rare. I'm not really sure now.
It looks
So,
like a
yeah,
crab.
madadagdagan ng ating mga other language binder. Siyempre kasama pa dito yung ating
What is it?
Thailand.
What is it?
Sawadee
It
ka?
feels like cardboard.
Ah,
Look, it feels like cardboard.
this is Thailand. This is from Thailand. Alam ko may binili rin tayong card pack sa Thailand eh. Di ko na alam kung nasaan ko nalagay yun. May pack tayong galing Thailand. Ito galing to sa deck.
Why does it feel like cardboard?
Anyway. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.